Can't turn your neck? One exercise to help you restore the range of motion in your neck. Now, if you got into a car accident or you have some severe structural problems in your neck, do not do this. This is for people who don't have structural issues. So what you're going to do, you can stay seated or you can stand up. Now, if you get dizzy, if you look up and you get dizzy, you want to stay seated. You're going to go like this. Interlace them, and then you're going to lift your arms, right? Don't go like this. You're going to lift your arms up and then lift your head up. You're going to hold this for 1 minute. Hold this for 1 minute, okay? Do this, and then after a minute, you'll start to notice, ooh, I can move my neck again, all right? These knuckles right here correspond to your spine, your cervical spine in the back. So what you want to do is you want to pop it, pop it, pop it, pop it, right? You want to pop those knuckles. If that does, and then move your neck and see if it works. If that doesn't work, then you want to get into these divots. You see these divots? And you want to press. Press on this side and on this side. And you want to pinch it like that, right? And you want to pinch it hard so it hurts. Pinch it on both sides, move your neck pain should instantly loosen up and the pain should start to decrease. You got neck pain, then you want to swing it up in order to get rid of that neck pain and stiffness. So these days we're all on our cell phones all the time, right? Or maybe on your computer. And so maybe your neck's like this, right? And that creates a lot of pressure on your neck, your muscles up here, your neck and your shoulders, and it makes it real stiff. You wake up stiff, it's hard to sleep, any of those problems, right? Here's one exercise that can help you decrease it, relax the stiffness almost instantly, right? So you're gonna get your hands together, you're gonna lock them in like this, and you're just gonna swing it up, okay? Swing it up. Now I'm sitting down, so you can do this sitting, you don't have to stand. You're gonna do this 30 times. 30 times, 3 times a day. Anytime your neck starts to hurt, just swing it up, right? Look from the side view. You're gonna swing it up. You can even move your head up while you're doing it, okay? This will help relax the shoulders and the neck and decrease that pain, all right? Swing it up, guys. This is how you wrist away your neck pain, okay? So if you've got neck pain, let's say it starts it's in the spine, you got pain in your spine, what you want to do, I mean, of course you can massage yourself, right? But let's say you don't have someone else to massage you and you can't massage yourself. Well, what can you do? You can use your wrist. So if you're hurt in the spine, you want to find, the spine is bone. You want to find bone. See that bone right there? You want to find a tender spot and massage around that bone. If you can't find a tender spot there, find the other bone. Here's another bone right here. Tender spot right here. Now, if you're hurt on the sides and the muscles and the tendons, then you want to find, see, look, there's some tendons. You want to push on the tendon, push in between the tendon on the muscles, the little muscles and the tendons and the tendons in right here. So you have all these tendons. You want to really find that tender spot and dig in for 10 seconds and then move your neck around. You should instantly feel it relax and the pain should start going down. All right, guys. Stiff neck and shoulders, then you want to scratch that itch, right? Scratch that itch. So let's say, you know, when your neck, in the back of your neck, you're like, hey, man, that's itchy, right? You want to scratch like that, okay? Right? But then when you raise your arm, what do you notice? Man, smelly armpits. So I'm going to cut my armpits. Prevent me from smelling my armpits, right? So scratch the itch. Step 1, scratch the itch. Step 2, cup that armpit, right? Okay? But you got the other armpit. So this arm's going to go scratch the itch. You want to cup that smelly armpit, right? So scratch the itch, cup the armpit. Scratch the itch, cup the armpit. You're going to do this for about 30 times, right? You can do it 3 sets of these, right? So scratch that itch and then cup that stanky armpit, right? Do this every single day and you'll notice your neck gets looser, your shoulders get looser, right? Make sure you follow me here for more of these awesome biohacking tips.